Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we need to do is swipe up to get to the app drawer, and we're going to navigate to your settings. Just open up your settings. And first, we need to make sure you haven't locked your home screen layout. To make sure you haven't done that, let's scroll down and tap on home screen here. And then scroll down again, you can see lock home screen layout. If this is turned on, it will prevent items on your home screen from being removed or repositioned. So all you need to do is turn that off. Next, we need to find what your launcher is. And in most instances on a Samsung phone, it's the One UI Home app, but let's just double check because you could have changed it. So let's go back to your settings. And from here, scroll down until you get to apps and tap on that. Now at the very top list, hit the choose default apps. And you're going to look for this home app and tap on it. Now the default is One UI Home for any Samsung phone. However, if you've downloaded a third-party launcher, it'll be on this list. And you need to navigate to that third-party launcher if you have that as the default. But most likely you have this One UI Home, so we can tap the back arrow and back again. We're in the app section. All we need to do is scroll down until we find One UI Home. So scroll down to One UI Home. Now within here, all we need to do is scroll down again until we get to storage and tap on that. We're first going to hit the clear cache button. And then we'll hit the clear data button. This will clear all of the data for that home app. And the last thing we're going to do is go back and just hit the force stop button to force disable it. And then it will just relaunch immediately. After we've done that, we can hop out of here and you can see my home screen layout is just as if I just got this Samsung phone from the factory. You can see everything is back to where it is normally. I can always press and hold and either move things around or press and hold and hit remove if I want to then customize it to look and feel how I prefer. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.